Hi guys! Happy Saturday or Sunday or whatever day you choose to make this recipe. Now, I'm going to show you the correct way to make a mimosa. Okay, so we've all been to brunch or someone's house. You can call this a recipe or a PSA. Let me show you the wrong way. And the coloring is really super important. If somebody makes you a mimosa like that, go to another restaurant, find another friend. That ain't the right way. Okay, this is how you make a mimosa. Okay, we little tilt action. Pour, 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 pour. Stop. Now, that is how you make a mimosa. You see the difference in color? This is way too dark. It's all juice. Barely any champagne or Prosecco, whatever you have. That is nice and light, and that is the one I'm going to be tasting. Cheers. Make your mimosas right.